Hi guys, welcome back to another video and Eid Mubarak to everybody in Pakistan and out of Pakistan. So today we're doing a full glam Eid look with only online makeup. So I ordered this makeup like about a week ago. I haven't tried it yet and it's really exciting to try. So I have to go to my dad's house in like an hour for dinner, and then we're gonna go, see some lights, some fireworks, because tomorrow's Independence Day. And let's see how the makeup wears on my face. If we get any creasing, any fine lines or anything, let's check. So let's get started. Okay, now for foundation, I'm using Miss Rose Professional Makeup Purity Natural Foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory 6. So we're gonna take 2 pumps of this. I don't have primer, so I'm not going to use primer. Okay, now for beauty blenders, I've got this really cool pack. They have 4 big beauty blenders and 4 small. And the material is really good. They're really nice and soft. I've already dampened one. So let's start our foundation. So my foundation is done and I think it looks good. It's like a full coverage, dewy kind of look, and I like it so far. So for contour, now I'm going to use this Pro Conceal High Definition Liquid Contour. Now because it's really dark, I'm just going to use a very little bit of it. You just squeeze it out and the product comes out. Move forward, my joy. I'm going to use the same sponge that we did for our foundation and I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, now since I don't have concealer, I'm going to cheat a little. I have this Note Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to use this. I'm going to take a small beauty blender and blend out my eyes. First starting from the bottom and then blending our way up and just look up. Get it on your eyes as well. Now I'm just going to take this ordinary powder . I'm now going to bake my under eyes. I'm now going to bronze my face. I'm now taking for my eyebrows the ADS eyebrow powder. And this is really cool. It has... can't open it. Got it. Has 3 shades, a dark, a medium, and eyebrow gel, and it has this really nice angled brush. Probably can't see. Okay. I'm going to take, for the outline, I'm going to take the dark color and I'm going to fill it with the medium brown. Oh, it has a mirror too. I'm now going to take this really nice pink kind of blush. You can see I hit pan because I use this a lot. Now lightly on my cheeks, apples of our cheeks. Okay, now for eyes, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. This also I got online. And here are the shades. Okay, now I'm going to take, first I'm going to take this concealed shade. I'm going to get it all over my lid. Now for my transition color, I'm going to take this color, this brown kind of color called Teddy, and this nice peach called Play. I'm going to mix them both together. A little bit of Teddy and a little bit of Play. Now I'm going to take a little darker shade called Tease, and I'm going to take this in my crease. Okay, now because it doesn't have black, so I just need a little bit of black, so I'm just going to take a black from a different palette of mine, just a really little. I'm just going to take this on the outer corner and blend it into my crease. Now I'm going to cut a half crease with my same concealer. For the lid, this nice infatuated, nice golden kind of shade. It's really nice. And I'm going to get on the half of my lid. Now I'm going to use the shade next to it, Excite. This has a nice pink tone to it. Blend this right next to that other shade and just kind of blend them both together. You don't want any harsh lines. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the same colors that I used on my transition shade and in the crease. First, we're going to take Teddy, and we're going to take a little bit of Play, mix them together, and just buff them out. I'm going to do one eye on camera and one eye totally off camera. So on my waterline. Okay, this is my mother-in-law's. This is really cool. This Miss Rose eyeliner, and it has a stamp. Now this made my life easy. Here's the eyeliner. It's nice and black and matte. And here is the stamp. You just have to stamp it and you get a really nice wing. So let's get this one. There you go. And there you go, you have a perfect wing. These are the Huda Beauty eyelashes. They're really nice in the small from the front, and they get nice and long in the back, and they're nice and really soft 3D lashes. So I'm gonna put these on off camera and, you know, do the other eye, and then I'll come back. Okay, so this is the final look. I got my eyelashes on and they're very comfortable. And for lips, I use this lip color palette from True Heart, and it has all these really nice colors in it. And it comes with a lip brush. I used this light pink and this dark pink shade. I mixed them both together, and they're really light, they're not sticky, they're really comfortable. I highly recommend you guys use this. And to top it off, I got this Clozona gloss. It's really nice and glossy, micro crystals in it. Okay, and to set it all off, I'm going to use the Face It Makeup Setting Spray. Let's spray some on my beauty blender, and we're just gonna set our face. And that's done. So this is the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I'm off to my dad's house, and then we're gonna go see the lights and the fireworks. So let's see how this makeup wears off. So I'll be back in a few hours. Okay guys, so I'm back home, and I got caught up in the rain. Like I told you guys, I was going to my dad's house for dinner, and then we were going to go see the lights and fireworks because it's Independence Day, and it just started raining. You know, my hair's all wet, and my makeup, it still got water on my face. The eyes are looking okay, my lashes are still on, and my foundation, it looks pretty good to me. I've been wearing this makeup for about almost 10 hours. So I think it's good for online makeup. As you can see. Well, of course I ate my dinner, so you know my lipstick is a little rough, but other than that, what do you guys think? So if you guys are interested in online makeup and you guys love to shop online like I do, I'll give the link in the description box down below. And I'll see you again next time in another video.